Hi, I'm Jerry Stringer with Timber and Beam Workshop. Have you ever done a project where you're working with countersink holes and your countersinks for your screws don't look nearly that neat? Let me show you how to do that. There's a trick to it. Here's what the average guy does. He grabs his drill with his drill bit in it. That's where he wants the hole, so he drills his hole. He goes, okay, that's where I want it. Picks up his countersink. Does his countersink. And that's what you end up with. When you put the screw into it, if you notice, that is not a clean hole. It looks like a six-sided hole. There's a way to make it work right. Here's the trick. When you're ready to do it, put your drill bit down, put your countersink into your wood first, or into your drill first. Do your countersinking hole like this. See how pretty that is? Then you get your drill bit, move over here where I got some wood under it, and then drill your hole. The countersink will actually guide your drill bit to the middle of the hole where it needs to be. Then when you put your screw into it, you get that pretty countersink. The harder the wood that you work with, the more chatter you're going to get. So remember this next time you're doing a project. It sure makes it look a lot nicer. Thanks for stopping by. If you would, like us below and subscribe to us, and we'll see you again.